Hello there.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I am great, thank you.
Perfect. My name is Claire. I'm from Toronto, Canada. Your name is Mohammed Razan, right?
Yes, Mohammed.
Okay, very good. And you're from India? I cannot hear you.
Now, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay, great. So basically, I have only 5 minutes. So what I want is I'm just preparing for interview, and for
Hmm.
that I have the question like mostly asked question, which is tell me about yourself or introduce yourself. So,
Hmm.
for example, I am asking you this question, then what should
Hmm.
be your reply?
Yeah, so this is actually a good question. When they ask you about and tell you, like, tell me about yourself, they don't really want to hear what was already in your resume because they have
Mhm.
read your resume before. So kind of like giving them a personal insight of your background, what you've done, and why like you're there to basically interview for the job is important. For example, if they ask me, I would say, well, I got my bachelor's and post-grad degree in a related field to this job, for example. And I have like over 5 years of experience. In your case, however many years experience you have. I have over 5 years of experience. The reason why I'm here and why I want to kind of interview for this job is to kind of know, is to challenge myself. It's actually very good to say to challenge myself, use my abilities and my knowledge that I have gained along the way to apply for this job. So yeah, really, when they ask you to tell about yourself, what you really need to do is to really just tell them who you are. That's what they're looking for.
Okay, so if they are asking for any
I can't.
weakness, if
Uh
they
huh.
are asking for any
Yeah,
weakness,
be very transparent with them.
Mhm.
Be very transparent with them. If they're asking for weaknesses, and if your weakness, for example, is kind of overindulging, being too specific, just say sometimes I can get too specific when I'm working on a project, you know, or I'm too deadline driven to the point that one deadline might affect like another deadline that is gonna come ahead. Tell them really what your weakness is, but also do tell them how you are trying to work on it.
Okay, great. And yes, okay, great. So if they are asking for any question can you, if you have any question, you can ask. So what type of question we should ask to them?
Ask them about the future of the company. Ask them about what is your 5 year plan in this company. What is the 5 year trajectory of this company? What is the company culture? Ask them about the company culture. Ask them about the working dynamics between the employees. These are the things that they're actually looking for you to ask them.
Okay, great. And sometimes they are also asking that why should we hire you?
Mhm. Tell them
So,
why, because you can, what you can say, what I often say, or I used to say, is that I have done my research, I have looked up your company, I have compared the position to other positions in the market, and that I am aware of my talents and my expertise, and I think that I would be a good candidate for this job, not just by doing any task that is handed to me, but also by improving the company.
okay, so you mean that we have to have some convincing answer so that it should create a positive impact, right?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Okay, okay, nice. Yes, okay, great. So these were the few questions that I thought that I have to confirm from you.
Yeah, for
So
sure.
really, yeah, really great. And other than that, we have to, if there is any panel interview,
Mm-hmm.
so if two people are asking us the question, so how you should manage them?
Usually they ask questions. Oh, we're out of time.